Welcome back to Algo Traders Program ATP from MarketSecrets. This is episode 14 of this series, and in this episode we are going to talk about how to instruct the bot to do real trading or paper trading. So let's go into today's session. So as mentioned earlier, this is our trading controller. This is our master trading controller, or the core console, or the controller of this particular bot. So we have talked about all these options in the earlier episode on a high level, and in the last episode we talked about trading switch in detail, and in this episode we are going to talk about the trading type. Okay, so we are going to talk about the second option, which is trading type. This option or this controller can be used to control the type of trading that you want to do. Using this option, you can instruct the bot to perform either real trading in your trading account or just paper trading without any real money. If you set this field to capital R, you're instructing your trading bot to do real trading in your trading account. If this field has the value R and the trading switch is turned on, that is, this is set to Y and this is set to R, it will trade using the real money on that particular day. So the trading switch is turned on and your trading type is set to R, which is the real trade. So in this case, the trade will happen using the real money through your trading account. If you leave this blank, or if you set any other value in this particular cell, then the trading switch is also turned on. So for example, if you are setting this value to P and the trading switch is still enabled, that is, it is set to Y, in that case the bot will do paper trading. So you have enabled your bot and set the trading type as P. I mean, it's not having the value R. In that case, it will do paper trading on that particular day. So in this case, no real money will be used here. So if you want to switch to paper trading on any specific day, for example on a budget day or an election day or for some other personal reason, you can do that using this particular field or option or this particular switch. Set it to some other value other than R, like P or no or whatever, or you can even set it to some random values, and the bot will switch to paper trading on that particular day. But please do remember to update this field back to the value R if you want to switch back to the real trading the next day. For example, if you don't want to do the trading today, you can set it to some other value, but after end of day or before the market opens the next day, you need to set it back to R to instruct the bot to do the real-time trading. That's all you need to remember. So setting this to Y and setting this to R will do the real trading, and setting this to Y and setting this to some other value will do paper trading. And if this is set to some other value, the trading won't happen at all. So if this is set to some other value other than Y, then the bot will not do any type of trading. So these are the combinations that you need to use to play around with this. So you can do this through the script as well, but we decided to provide this facility in this sheet itself so that the non-technical people can understand it as well. So with that, we have come to the end of today's episode. We have a separate demo Telegram channel for everyone who is interested in Algo Traders Program. This is where our algo trades and results are published on a daily basis, and this is where we share all our updates regarding ATP. Link to this channel is available in the description section. Please join if you are interested. Also, we are providing real-time live feed for our algo trades on a daily basis in our YouTube channel. So if you want to understand how we are doing it, or whether we are really doing it, you can watch these live feeds. So subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get invitations for our live sessions. So stay tuned for this exciting journey and the wonderful lifetime opportunity. Thanks for watching.